Restylane Lyft has become the first and only hyaluronic acid filler to be approved for use in the hands. As one ages, you lose volume in the hands just as you do in the cheeks. By replacing the volume, you improve the appearance of the vessels and tendons which are apparent. As you know, you can always tell someone's age by looking at their hands. Dr. Weiner is showing the injection using blunt cannula technique into the hands. It is a rather painless procedure and takes approximately 3 to 5 minutes to do for both hands. There is minimal side effects except for some mild swelling and some light soreness. Dr. Weiner asks that you refrain from physical activity and heavy use of the hands for the next couple days. Elevation of the hands during sleep will also improve swelling.